Hello, everyone. Today, I will talk about something very important: work survival strategy. What is work survival strategy? Sometimes life is not stable. There is conflict in the region, oil prices go up, salaries change or get delayed, and prices for food and fuel become very high. Jobs become difficult. So, what can workers do? Work survival strategy. A work survival strategy means a simple plan to stay safe and stable in your job during a crisis. It is not about becoming rich. It's about protecting your income, your job, and your family during the time of crisis. Today, many workers and employees face a real challenge. Actually, they face many challenges. They face multiple challenges. And that is because salaries are not stable, jobs are not secure, prices are going up quickly. When oil prices rise, transportation, electricity, and daily costs also rise. Life becomes more expensive, and workers feel pressure. They feel stressed. So here are realistic survival strategies. That is part of work survival strategy. First, control your spending. Focus on essentials, food, fuel, and bills. Cut unnecessary expenses. Try to save even a small amount regularly. Keep some emergency cash, not only in banks, so you're ready if payments are delayed. Keep that in mind. Second, build more than one income source. This is very important, and trust me on that. Do not depend on only one job. You can do small side work. For example, tutoring, translation, also delivery, repair services, selling, marketing products online, or freelance work. That is very normal. Even simple extra income can make a big difference. Third, I want you to learn practical skills. It's very important. Practical skills help people really much. Practical skills help people. English is useful, but it is not enough alone. Add skills like basic computer skills, editing skills, skills in Excel, Word, email, writing, etc. Driving and delivery services, sales and communication skills are also important. Online freelancing basics is really necessary course for you. These skills help you find work faster in difficult times. Build strong relationships. Know people in your field. Help others. Stay in contact with coworkers, clients, and local businesses. Many job opportunities come from people, not advertisements. Fifth, be flexible and ready to change. Maybe your role will definitely change. Maybe your salary will go down for some time. Accept this reality and adapt. Say, I can learn, I can adjust. This mindset keeps you working when others stop. Finally, stay disciplined. Avoid debt. Avoid debt when possible. Plan your month, track your spending. Small, smart decisions every day create long-term stability. Small, smart decisions every day create long-term stability. So remember, work survival strategy means control spending, build extra income, learn useful skills, connect with people, and also stay flexible. The world can change very fast, but prepared workers stay strong, stay ready, and also stay smart. Thank you.